Welcome to Passport to Learning, your gateway to studying abroad, made simple.
Hello everyone, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. So today I am going to show you how to apply Hochschule Munchen. So first of all, I would like to show you actually all the details of Hochschule Munchen and when you can apply for this university. I am also going to show you. In this video, I try to cover each and everything of the application process. So when I am making this video, this is 2026 and this is the beginning of April, but the process and the requirement would be changed. So I would like to tell you when you will apply this when you will apply for this university. So please try to check the university portal each and every requirement before application. So let's go. And if you are new in this channel, I would like to tell you, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. So let's go. So first of all, open your open any browser. So I open from Chrome browser and I am going to show you. Okay, so this is also not, so just wait, I'm going to show you. Open any browser. Okay, so it's making a little bit. I just try to okay, so I am going to show you from at the beginning. So open any browser, but whatever you like, then go to det.de or my German university, because you can find the universities from here easily and flexibly. So this is why I think so that my German is more flexible if I compare it with the det.de, although both are almost same website, their activities are almost similar. So okay, so I click actually my German, or you can search by my German university. Then you can find the my German university's website and go there. And then as today I am going to show you a specific university, so this is why I try to only search by university name. Hochschule Munchen. So I am going to show you Hochschule Munchen. So if you search by Hochschule Munchen, then you can see Munich. Here you can see University of Applied Science. No, this is not Hochschule Munchen. Just wait. University of Film Theater. See, Hochschule Munchen, University of Applied Science. This is Hochschule Munich. So click this university and go next. And I also would like to tell you that from here you can make little bit filter, because if you are from Germany, so then you can click German and English, and you also have to select your for which semester you would like to apply. Usually this university offer its maximum of courses in winter semester, so this is why you can also select winter semester. You can also search by summer semester if you get any courses. So I just would like to tell you that today I am going to make this video in English, so this is why I am also showing you the English courses. So from the filter option, I click English only, and I also click winter semester 2026, and I will show you the master's courses, master's program courses. So this is why I showed you also masters. I don't filter more. You can also filter more from here as your wish. So I am not going to make more filters. So by these few options I got 6 courses. So today my purpose is to show you actually the course requirement and the application process and overall facilities in this Hochschule Munich University. So uh, from here simply I go on course. I am going to this course, business administration, digital and technology management. Click this course, and from here you can see this is the my German university's actually front cover page. So from here you can also see requirements, application and admission, campus, blah blah. You can see a lot of information from here, but the alarming information is sometime my German university's website do not actually update their requirement and their sections according to the university's changes. So this is why I would like to recommend you don't check the information from my German front page. Directly go the course website. Each and every university, whenever you will actually check for university, so this is the university's website. So from here you can able to see the authentic information. If see actually this is course name is MSc business administration study program digital technology management. Okay, so if we scroll down, if we go scroll down, you can get a lot of things. I hope so that you will able to understand by reading. For time saving, I am not showing to this. So from here you can see actually the program profile. If you click here you can see actually all about the program, what type of courses they will teach you, and after you will study what type of facilities you will go you will get. So you will able to see from here, and then you can also see is this field of study suitable for me. You can check also from here. Here is a number of things you can see, so you can see from here, and career chances and a lot of things is here. You can check all of things if you want, but today I'm going to show you actually the requirement of these courses. So admission requirements, click the plus icon, then you can able to see the admission requirement. The admission requirement is, if I tell you briefly, the admission requirement is your BPD must be, or can you have at least 2.59 German BPD. So how you will able to calculate German BPD by your country's CGPA or from your country's grading. So I will also give you the video. You can see the way of calculating this BPD from our channel. I will also add the video on the description box so you can see from there. And for CGPA, for ECTS, you must have to complete 210 ECTS. If you are from South Asian countries, so South Asian maximum, for example Bangladesh, Pakistan and some other countries, maybe you have 180 ECTS after completing your bachelor's. So no problem, you can also admit by 180 ECTS, but after admission within 12 months you have to complete 30 ECTS. So if you will complete not one subject, you have to complete at least 5 subjects, because in Germany maximum of subjects carry 6 credit. So okay, this is the later things you will able to complete. So then for new applicants for 2026, they also add that evidence of a minimum 10 ECTS credit in study module mathematics or economics. So who usually study in business background. Another thing is that you have to complete your bachelor degree in business administration or business related subjects, then you will able to apply this university. And usually who completed their bachelor degree in business or economics, they usually have 10 ECTS or more than 10 ECTS in mathematics and economics. And then you need also B2 English level. It's mean that B2 started from 5.5. So you can check more, because they mentioned the European framework. So you can check from Google what is the European framework and what is the band score of B2. As far as I know, it's 5.5. So then after application, then they will check your documents, and after reviewing the documents, and then they will ask you for aptitude test. It means that one interview, and the interview will mm, held in July. Usually they make it 20 July to 22 July every calendar year. And another thing is that if you would like to apply this university, you need BPD. As if you don't know what is BPD, there is two type of BPD. One is calculating BPD result, and another thing is BPD also. So you have to take this certificate by applying UNSS. If you will not understand, then uh, see the video from our channel or check description box, then you will understand the both things clearly. And then if you have a university degree from the EU, you must have to pass. If you have a university degree from outside the EU, it means that if you are from outside of EU, then you also have to pass the GMAT exam. You have to submit your also certificate. Without this, it is not possible to apply this university. Video admission requirements, how to apply. So the thing is that you can also check, you can see the video from here how to apply this university. So this is really easy for you to apply this university. Okay, so in the meantime, I would like to inform you that actually who are a student from Bangladesh or India or Pakistan, you can contact with us in the given WhatsApp number if you would like to get help from us. I would like to tell you that actually our team are studying in Germany, so they will help you to your application process and everything. But for that, they would also charge you a fixed amount of money. So let's talk about by texting message if you want. Otherwise, I would like to tell you that you can also do it by yourself. It's no problem. Okay, so then I would like to also show you the application process. Okay, so I think if you click here, if you click here, then you can able to see the video how to apply this university. It's in my PC, it's showing that error no found. It means that error. So but I also would like to show you how to apply this university. mm, by actually search by Hochschule Munich application portal and click. I am clicking here, you can write down here and then search it, and then go to application master's degree, whatever application for bachelor's degree. If you would like to apply for bachelor's, you can check, click here, or if you would like to apply for master's, click here, and then go down and see actually they have everything. And another thing is, for application period, must remember that actually usually their application period start from May 2nd May to 15 June. It may change subject to subject, so I would like to say you can check from the university's application portal, then you can see the update date of the application deadline. And for summer semester, it's started from 15th November and it's closed in 15th January of the next year. So how you apply these universities, so I just would like to show you. For example, uh sorry, you can, if you, I hope you will also get the video on YouTube, so you can check from there, no problem. I just would like to show you all the Bayern, as Hochschule Munich is situated in Bayern state of Germany. So as far I see and as far I know, the all universities application process is almost same. Which university need BPD and direct application, it's as like Dagendorf Institute, and it's also almost as like THI Technische Hochschule Ingolstadt. So I already showed the video, so you can check from our playlist if you don't understand. I just would like to show you this is the subject, so click the subject here and go scroll down. and from here they show you. I think this is not the application portal. Just wait. Hochschule Munich application tools. So click here, Hochschule Munich application tools. If you as for example, I am a fresh or new applicant, so I have no account. So click here, registration for online application. So click here and give your all the details, and then click here online applications. After clicking here, you may get a email in your email address, in your given email address, and then you may have to actually confirm or you active your link. Then you can go ahead and you can complete your application. I will add Dagendorf University's application process as well as THI's application process. I hope actually all these universities application process is similar, because all these are situated in Bayern state of Germany. Okay, so this is all about and you have to also set up a create your password. You have to rewrite the password, then you have to go ahead. Don't forget the email address and password. If you forget it, you can also, if you remember your email address, then you can reset the password, but try to remember this information, then again and again you can log in easily, and you can see everything from here. It's as like actually Hochschule Ingolstadt and Dagendorf Institute. So this is the all about this university, and if you need more information, you can go the website and check from here. Application period, you can also check from here. The application period usually start from 2nd May to uh, 31st May, but I already showed you that it's totally vary subject to subject. So this is why I would like to tell you that you can check it from the university's website and subject website specifically. And here you can also find the university's telephone number, email address. So if you need any information, then you can send the mail to them, then they will help you by giving the information, because in German universities authorities, they're so helpful. They will help you in every cases of your application. So the thing is that you can see here is a number of subjects, so you can check all the subjects how I showed you. I showed you by this subject as example. You can see all the subjects as like the similar way, then you can take the decision. The application process is not so hard. I hope so that you will able to do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question related to this university, try to write down on the comment box, then I will try to give you the information if I will know. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you later. Have a nice day with you.